Gukoretwo na ciuria ingetheire gukinyanirio kwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo, ciuria iria omwethe ikinyirio mbere ya Minister Amina Mohamed gikaro-ini giake na kamiti ya bunge ya githomo.
When you are declaring that we are suspending implementation of this new curriculum, what was informing your decision at that particular time?
The decision that was made then in January, because the decision to roll out was made in January, the decision that was made in January then had taken into consideration all the work that had been put in place, but we were able to do what we needed to do to be comfortable enough. We engaged the steering committee again.
Amina eranire ati mathina maria makoretwo makigomera mutaratara uyu ni maruge na uguo gutibati gukorwo na hau kuri arutwo, arutani kana bururi. Iguru ria mabuku ma mutaratara uyu mweru, Minister atariri ati mabuku mothe mabati gukorwo na ruri rwa ngwataniro ya thirikari iria rugamagirira mutaratara wa githomo bururi-ini KICD.
We also engaged the our publishers, and we were sure that we'd get some of the books in place as we opened school.
Wagaguge abunge mekwendaga Amina nine ni mathina maria maroneka makigomera arutwo a form 1 ta kuhinyanirira irathi-ini na nyumba cia gukomwo. Haha akiuga gicunji kia 25 gia bithi iria arutwo ya marariha giguthi kuri waki wa irathi. Mendekithia mangi ma kamiti ino ni commission ya arutani TSC kwandika arutani angi makiria ya 10,000. Yathi giki githaganio Minister wa githomo riu ni atianirie hau iria ikoretwo kuo, akiuga maundu mari cemba na gutire muhinga ukugumira mutaratara uyu mweru wa githomo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de bunge-ini ya bururi, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kimani.